Getting locked out of Instagram on Android is usually a session token error. Your phone is holding on to an old flagged login attempt. Today, I'll show you how to use Android's app info settings to hard reset your Instagram session and bypass the suspicious activity block without having to reinstall the app. Step 1. Change your digital footprint. Swipe down and toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your Android system to reconnect to the cell tower and assign you a new IP address. If Instagram was blocking your specific connection, this usually clears the path instantly. Now, let's clear the app's memory. Long press the Instagram icon and tap the E for App Info. Go to Storage and Cache. First, hit Clear Cache, then hit Clear Data. Warning, this will log out all your accounts, but it's the only way to delete the suspicious flag hidden in the app's local files. Open an Instagram. It should feel like you just downloaded it. Log in manually. Because your IP is new and your data is wiped, Instagram will now send you a standard security code. Enter it from your texts. Since you're on Android, you can often just tap autofill from messages to make this seamless. You're back in. To stay safe, go to Settings then Security and check your login activities to make sure no other devices are using your account. Hit subscribe for more Android-specific tech fixes.